Welcome to How Fun Let's Travel. I'm Jeremy, here with some shopping tips for you. Silver Dollar City has a lot of unique and fun shops, and if you're like us, you'll probably leave with more things than you came in with. Now that I've shown you a lot of ways to save money at the park, you can use some of this money in the amazing shops without feeling guilty, and you never know what you'll find. Here's another way that the season pass may come in handy. Some of the stores may offer special discounts to season pass holders, so make sure you ask. If you're like me, the one thing I'd never want to do is to have to carry a bunch of stuff around with me all day long at the park. So here's another tip. Silver Dollar City has a free package pickup program. If you see something you want at a gift shop that you'd want to buy, but you don't want to carry it around with you all day, ask them about this program, and your purchases will be waiting for you at the Ozark Marketplace. This is the last building you pass through as you exit the park on your way to the shuttle to go back to your car. Be sure to check out the description for a printable tip sheet to bring with you to the park so you don't forget any of these tips. And if you like this video and it's made things easier for you, why don't you show me some love and hit that like button before you head out. It helps me more than you might think. On the video shown here, we'll take a look at some of the incredible shows and theaters inside the park. Thanks for watching. Tell a friend.